Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
just a
afternoon,
second.
ma'am.
Yeah, just a second. Good afternoon to everyone. Just give me 2 minutes, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Mohammad Ali. Good night, Mohammad Ali. Umayma, what's making you laugh? Mohammad Ali said me good evening, ma'am. So I said good night.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, good afternoon. How are you all doing, by the way? Okay. Chalo, turn on your camera, everyone. You saw a ghost or what? Everyone turn off their camera. Am I a ghost to you? Yeah? Do I look like a ghost? Yeah, Umayma? Then you all turned off your camera. Everybody turned off the camera. So I'm looking at myself. Am I looking ghost? I'm like, no, I'm still looking good. Then why did everyone turn off the camera? Okay, Mohammad Ali. Mohammad Ali, is it? It's the evening, beta. Yeah, Mohammad Ali. No, Mohammad Ali is thinking we are in a garden or we are in a restaurant having tea. Yeah, Mohammad Ali. Acha, Mohammad Ali, your sister just looks like you. You both look so similar. I had a computer session before this. Mariam was sitting and I was feeling like Muhammad Ali's, it's Muhammad Ali only with long hairs. I thought it's Muhammad Ali only with the long hair. The addition part is the long hair. Chalo. So how everyone is doing well? Who's this M? Mustafa? Hello, Sidra. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, Sidra. Today you changed your location.
Mustafa.
Mustafa. Okay. What about Manha? Where is she? Yusuf. Umayma is the person. Umayma is the student. She was like, what did she commented in the Google Classroom? Ma'am, please pass me more sheets or worksheets. And I was so happy, you know. I was so happy that student is asking.
Division, that's why.
What? What, Umayma?
Just because I like division.
Yes. So that's what I'm appreciating, beta. I just love, I was so happy.
And every day my mama tells.
Yeah.
Every day my mama tells to do 5 questions.
Oh, wow. You should do. And in case if you need any help, na, you can contact me personally also. Okay, any one of you. I don't mind. In fact, Manaha has contacted me. Yeah.
But I do word problems of multiplication.
Umayma, be loud little bit. I'm unable to hear you. I didn't get you.
I do word problems of multiplication.
Okay. You got problem in that. That's what you're saying.
No.
So?
I do word problems in multiplication.
Okay. Nice. What I'm saying, wherever, look, it's not, you don't restrict yourself just to textbook. You can get the questions from any book, from any material for internet, and you should be able to do it. Right? If you come across such question that you're not getting the answer, be free to contact me. I will help you out. That's what I'm saying. Okay? Message me, WhatsApp me on my number. Definitely, even if I'm busy, the moment I'll get free, I'll make a point that I help you. Okay? So if you need my help, be free. You're welcome. Anytime. Mustafa, turn on your camera. Sidra?
Ma'am, I have ma'am, in that divisible worksheet,
Okay.
I was confused like that. Question number 342, and it shows like divisible by 7. I was confused like indivisible 7
But
in the
beta,
library.
Sidra, yeah, very nice question. Now the screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am. But 42 comes on 7 table.
Exactly. So you don't have to use divisibility rules. For 2-digit numbers, ignore it. Okay? Use divisibility rule for 3-digit number. Okay, Umayma? Look. Use your brain. Use your brain. I know 42 comes in 7 table. What is the point in wasting my time to check whether using divisibility rule? Am I right, Sidra? Am I saying wrong? Exactly. Why will I go for divisibility rule? Leave it. I know 7 6 is 42. Why should I go for divisibility rule for 7? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else? It's common sense, beta. Look, 56. If they are asking me for 8, why will I check the divisibility rule for 8 when I know 7 8 is 56? It comes in 8 table. So there is no point in wasting that. Divisibility rule is applicable for 3 or more digits. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Mustafa, you have any doubt? Yusuf? Yusuf was not there, but still he was trying to, trying to understand. And he did well, yes, last session. Should we go further? Where is Manha? Where is Manha? Why didn't she join yet? Mustafa, what are you doing? Playing with your eyelids? Tell me also that games. Even I'll play. Even I'll get some new game to know. Okay. Should we start? Today I have to
Yes.
start with division. Yes. Okay. What is division? Anyone?
Division is divided by like that.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. We have to divide. Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to divide in.
But I know, but what is basically, if I'll ask what is multiplication, you will say, ma'am, we have to multiply. Wow, what a definition, huh? Very nice, kids. But what do you mean by that? You should understand. Division means grouping. You are grouping it. Right? In the given number. The number they have asked you. Like 4 divided by 2. Oh, sorry, just ignore that arrow part. This part. 4 divided by 2. What do you mean by that? Divide this 4 into 2s. So give 2.
Ma'am, the answer is
Yes.
2.
How many groups did you get? How many numbers are there in 1 group? 2.
2.
Division is basically grouping. Okay. Now, what are we going to study? I need your books today. You cannot sit without books because this is very important, which I'm teaching you. Go get your book. Fast. Show me your books. Lift your books. Hi, Mariam.
Yusuf, I
If you
don't.
want to do maths,
No.
Muhammad she want to do
Ma'am,
maths.
I don't have.
Give her also book. She'll also do maths with you.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Umayma, why I am unable to see your book, Umayma?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your book? Umayma, lovely. Mariam.
Ma'am, this is Yusuf.
Okay,
Ma'am,
better
this
you
is
see.
Yusuf. I
Wait,
don't.
look what happens.
Ma'am, I don't.
Follow you.
I don't have book. Ma'am, I am using this because I don't have book.
What's that? Oh, wow. But Yusuf, you have to keep this notes with you. What you'll do when exams will be there? You have to refer something now from where you have to learn. Today I'm
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. I know how to do division.
Beta, that's true. That's true. Okay. We will be doing understand the flow of the chapter. I don't want you to get confused. Don't get stuck. What are we doing? From when we are doing division, but we don't know where are we lying. So first understand, what are we going to do? We are going to learn 3 different methods of division. Have you understood? How many methods? Tell me.
Three.
Tell me how many methods we did in multiplication. Anyone?
3. 10.
Yeah. 10 method, okay. Anyone? How many methods we did in for multiplication?
10.
No one remembers?
Grip 3. Grip method.
Very
Grid
nice.
method,
Grid method, partition method, partition
and column
method.
method.
Yes,
Column
and
method.
normal method. Okay.
Column method.
Yes. Now in division, how many methods we will be doing it? Tell me. How many?
3.
3. 3 method. First, reducing form. Second, through number line. Third, chunking method. One more method is there, normal, but I'm not considering this into it. Okay, chalo.
Ma'am, but how the name is chunking method?
We will do everything in detail, beta. I need for one method, I need 2 sessions. We'll do it in detail because I want my every kid to understand each and every method. Umayma, is that clear? Umayma, what are we doing? What are we doing? We are doing division. Okay, we are doing division. We'll study the 3 methods of division. First, reducing form in the fraction. Second, through number line. Third, through chunking method. Is that clear? Yes, chalo. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, now I'm going on the first method.
Ma'am, what is the first method?
Yeah, beta, I'm writing it. This is, look, this is like I'm making a notes for you. So you don't have to get lost. Arey, kya karna hai maths mein? What ma'am has taught? This is in front of you. You'll understand these 3 methods ma'am have taught me. I have to do sums regarding to this method. Understood? The basic idea is clear? Yeah, Sidra?
Yes,
Yeah. Always, or look, for any, not, this is not meant for maths, for any subject. You should understand first what all is there in the chapter and what all I have to do. First, understand that. Otherwise, you'll remain lost. Okay, where am I doing? What am I doing? In which direction I'm going? Okay.
ma'am, we need to write this.
What? Yes,
Do
yes.
we need to write?
Ma'am, today I want to do very little writing.
Just write long method. I'll let you know why it is called long. Because this we have to do it. Look kids, I am not just restricting myself to your textbook. I am teaching you other methods also that which you will be required in your higher class. So don't go into the textbook. Ma'am, this is not there. Still you are teaching. No, I want you to learn everything which is included in division. Is the idea clear? And trust me, it's very easy. It's very easy. And don't worry, each and every method, I'll take 2 to 3 sessions. So you don't have to worry about it. I'll go very slow. Okay? And we'll do questions. So you'll get a
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon, Manha. You're very late, beta. What's the problem?
Sorry.
Yeah, no, beta, you have to be on time because otherwise you'll miss the important stuff. Okay? You'll only.
Okay.
And nowadays, you know, we are unable to upload the video also on YouTube. You know, na? So you have to be on time.
Yeah.
I will upload the video, but it will take time because there are some issues. So you will miss out. You can't see the recording as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ठीक है बेटा, be on time from next from Friday, sorry, and not for only my session. You should be regular for all your session. It's not only about maths. Mustafa, where are you roaming, Mustafa? Oh, sorry, huh? You lied down. I thought you went away, Mustafa. Your camera angle is so. Look again. I don't know. Did he go somewhere or no, that's proper. Yeah, that's proper, Mustafa now. Chal. Should I start with the reducing the fraction?
Yes,
Should I?
ma'am.
Yes. Look, you have to keep this book every time whenever we have a math session. So you'll know what are we doing. I'll do the methods over here and I'll take the questions from the textbook. And I'll take more questions if I feel like. Okay? Chalo, the first. Should I erase this? Should I clear this?
Ma'am.
Okay, okay, fast beta. At least we will start with the reducing fraction today.
Kalat, ma'am.
Manha, tell me.
I don't understand what did you said.
Okay. ठीक है. Manha, we have started with we have already started with division. We were doing divisibility rules. Okay, beta. Now we are learning the different methods of division.
Done right here.
Yeah, I'm not erasing. I'm explaining. Manha, what are we doing? Manha, listen first, beta. First, listen. There are 4 different methods for division. The first, reducing the fraction, division on number line, chunking method, and long method. We will do this in detail. Each and every method will do this in detail. Okay? Okay, so you have to write this. There are 4 different methods.
Okay.
Chalo, do it fast and just give me 2 minutes. I'll have water till the time you keep writing.
Ma'am, is there four types of division?
Who's saying that?
Sidra.
Yeah, beta, we will do that in detail now. We'll do each and every method in detail. Okay? Don't worry. You just write it. Once this whole method is over, now you will understand what you have written. Okay? Right now, just write it.
Okay, ma'am. Division on number line. Number line.
Done? Oh my God, how much time now? Take a screenshot, huh? You people are taking a lot of... Yeah, take a screenshot now. And write it. After the session, write it, huh? It shouldn't be like, I'll learn it from screenshot. It shouldn't be like that. Okay? Chalo. Now I'm erasing. Everybody, those who have not written, please take a screenshot. Done? I'm clearing it out. Look. Now what? Reducing the fraction. It's very simple. Look, a fraction represents the division. What is fraction? Leave about division and all that. First, what do you mean by fraction?
Fraction mean like how many boxes are colored, like that marks.
Partially you're correct. Anybody else? She's correct, Sidra. Anybody else? Umaima, you would like to try? Muhammad Ali?
Yeah, I want to try, ma'am.
Sure. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to do equally things in fraction.
Who was that? Yusuf. You want to do what? Equal things in fraction. Okay, leave. Can I say?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what? I didn't do anything. You're saying yes. But what yes? Is this,
You are telling the answer.
is this a fraction?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Why? That's my question. Why? Look, you have to think in my class, huh? This is maths class. Manha, stop it, Manha. Stop it.
because from 8 we remove 4.
Okay. Fraction means a part of a whole. That's what you mean, Sidra? Okay.
Yes.
If in simple words. Okay, tell me one thing. Have you done fraction in your previous class? First, you tell me that. You can.
No. Yes, only a little bit. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. If you haven't done it, I'll do it with you. But right now, just remember, if you have a numerator means the number which is above a line. This is a line. Do you understand? If you have a numerator, wait, let me complete. And if you have a denominator means number below the line, then this form is called fraction. Is it clear? What is this called? This form is called fraction. Yeah,
Fraction.
Umaima, Mariam, are you understanding? Now tell me this.
Yes, ma'am.
2 by 3. Is it a fraction? Yes, it's a fraction. It's a fraction. It's a fraction because, okay, Umaima, it's very easy, beta. There should be a line, this line, and there should be a number above it and number below it. Bas, this represents fraction. Ho gaya. Simple. And this is called numerator. If you want.
But how do,
Wait.
ma'am,
Yeah.
how do we find the answer?
Wait, I'm telling you. First
And
understand.
that is denominator.
Wait.
Because
Yeah.
my sister and my brother.
Chalo. Now, should I go further? Wait. Let me take this 4 by 8. Fraction, I'm writing it over here. Fraction represents division. I'm writing over here.
Fractions
Represent division. Write this.
Means-
Fractions represent division. Chalo, write this. I'll explain you what do you mean by this. And I'll explain you what is the reducing. How do you reduce?
fraction
Represents division.
represent
Division.
division.
Okay, done. Now look. Look. It's very simple how to do it. You need to check. Look, here, this sign means division. Are you understanding this? Can you see this line? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? 4. What do you mean by this? 4 divide by, tell me, 4 divide by 8.
8.
Either you write it like this or either you write it like this. It has the same meaning. So can I say fraction represent division? It's one and the same thing. Am I right? Fraction or represents division. Okay. Is this clear to everyone? For example, over here, 3 by 2. 3 by 2. How I can write it in form of division? Tell me. 3 divide by, tell me. 3 divide by
2.
Mariam, you will answer. How should I take this? How should I write in the form of division? Tell me. 4. Say. 4.
Divide by 60.
Simple. Understanding, Umaima, Sidra, Muhammad Ali? Understanding, it's quite easy. Now, how should I do division? Now, my question is, how should I do division? What is my first method? What is my first method? Reducing the fraction. By reducing means, I need to check in which table does this 2 number come? In which table? In 4 comes as well as 8 comes. Think.
4 to the 8.
4?
4 to the 8.
Correct. And what about 4? When does 4 comes in 4's table?
4 ones are 4.
Perfect.
4 ones are 4.
Look. So reducing means making it simple. 1s are 4 1s are and 4.
The network issue is there, so I cannot on the camera. It's okay.
Okay, Umaira will do. Okay? Umaira, you get a lot of this thing, huh? What do we say? Network issue. Why is it so? Okay, chalo. Let's take one more example. So by reducing the fraction, what did I get the answer? I have divided 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is my answer. Can this 1 and 2 can be further reduced? Means does 1 and 2 comes in one's table? Does it comes in any table? Tell me. 1 and 2.
Yes.
Which table? Which table?
What, man?
Which table? Does
But what?
1 and 2 come in any table, one table, they should come both in same table. Does they come?
One in one table, they come one table.
Only once,
One
one,
under
except
one.
for one's table. Except for one's table. No. So this is your final answer. 1 by 2. In this way, I have reduced my fraction. Wait, I'll give you one more example. Nobody understood. Chalo. We will start again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now everybody tell me, is this a fraction? First tell me, is this a fraction? First everybody tell me, is this a fraction? Is this a fraction? Yes. Yes.
Yes,
You have a
ma'am.
numerator, you have a denominator. It is called what? Fraction. That's what I told you, na? Remember in this way. Numerator and what? Denominator. It is having both. So it is, and with a line. What it is? It is a fraction. Chalo. Now what will I do over here? Tell me that one table in which 2 and
Two nines are 18.
And what about 2? What about 2? What about 2?
2 ones are 2.
So 2 ones are and 2. Tell me 2. 2
nines
nines are. What did you get the answer? Wait, what did you get the answer? 9 by 9 by 1. When 1 is there in the denominator, just ignore it. Only write 9. This is your answer. So I have divided and I got the answer as 9. So this is the way, what do? I can divide the fraction. Now I want weight. Now I'll pick a person. So that Manha. First Manha will say, then Yusuf, then Umaima. ठीक है, सिद्रा है. चलो.
You say I spy.
Wait. First is Manha. Chalo Manha, tell me. Is this a fraction, Manha?
Yeah.
Manha?
You have to answer.
Yeah, Manha?
Yes, this is a fraction.
Tell me. When does 9 and 27 comes in? Which, in which table they both come together? I'm so sorry. In which table they both come together?
You will say I spy because it's Mariam.
Ma'am, answer is 9.
Yes, Yusuf, you're right.
9 threes are? 9 threes are?
9 threes is what? 9 threes is
9
what?
threes are 27.
And what about 9?
3.
9 ones are?
9 ones are?
Yes, so
9
what
ones
is
are
your
9.
answer? What is the answer? Answer is
Three.
wrong. The answer is wrong, Yusuf. It's 3.
You have.
When one, wait, listen.
Ma'am, I'm telling for 218.
Okay,
Divided by
listen.
18.
Kids, listen. When 1 is there in the denominator, just ignore it. Just in the numerator. Okay, when 1 is there. Now, I want, who said, Mariam.
Can I do?
Yeah, Mariam, then after Mariam, Umaima, you are there. Yeah, Mariam. Your question is? Chalo, how would you do it? Reduce it into simple form. You need to see 28 and 4.
Ibrahim,
Is there any table?
divide by 4.
What?
20 divide by 4.
That is the you are writing it in the form of division. I want the answer. You have to reduce this.
Your raise hand I can.
Who is that?
The raise hand.
Please everybody mute yourself. I'm getting a lot of disturbance. Please mute yourself. Muted? Everyone muted? Okay. Hello. Yeah. Umaima, you try. Umaima, your turn. When does 28 and 4 comes in? In which table? In which table it comes together?
Wait. Sorry, can you tell again? Because I can't try.
Okay. Okay, I'm asking you 28 and 4 comes together in which table? Think.
Ma'am, 4 7s are 28.
4 6
Four,
are 24.
four,
4
wait.
7s are 20.
Okay, 4 7s are. So just write 7.
Ma'am, the answer is 7.
Yes. And what about this, Umaima? What is 4 1? How would you get 4? When you get 4 in post table? When you get 4?
4 1s are 4.
Ma'am, you have to
Ma'am,
write.
You are right. Yusuf, you are right. So what is
ma'am,
the
you
answer,
can
Umaima?
hear my voice.
Yes. Umaima, what is the answer? 7. When 1 is there in the denominator, don't
Ma'am,
write
the
it.
7 will be up and the 28 will be down, and minus 28 minus 28, and the quotient will be 0.
Okay, very nice. You have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow, lovely. Chalo. You want to write this? You want to? I want now Mohammad Ali to answer this. Mohammad Ali, your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give little. Chalo. Let me see.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay, Mustafa, I'm taking you for the next question. Okay, I'll explain you. Okay, Mustafa, just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, Mohammad Ali, can you? Okay, chalo. You finding it difficult? Fine. I won't give you that. Chalo. Let's take this. Chalo, Mohammad Ali, tell me how to reduce this.
Ma'am, we are doing subtraction.
No, we are dividing this. We need to check these two numbers come together in which table. You need to check that. Tell me.
Ma'am, they come in two table.
Okay, number higher than that. Think. Think. Okay, 2 will also do. 2 will also do. 8. Yeah, Muhammad Ali. 8 stable.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Comes in
8
table.
into how much will give me 64? 8 into what will give me 64? Tell me. You have to learn your tables thoroughly. 8 into what will give me 64?
Ma'am, this is Yusuf. Can I do?
No, wait, Yusuf. I'll give you. Yusuf, if you want to do, do this sum. Yusuf, do this sum.
Ma'am, I did it.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Lovely.
28
Muhammad
is
Ali.
56. And
Wait.
answer
I'll
is
come
2.
to you, Yusuf. Let him answer. Now, Muhammad Ali, yeah, tell me. 8 into what will give me 64? Think 8. 8 8s are. And
Oh, yeah, ma'am. 8
8 into what will give me 8? 8 1s
8
are.
8s are.
8 1s are. Okay. So your answer is 8. If you want to write it or take a screenshot of this, so that I'll give you few another questions. Now I am
Okay.
Mustafa. Should I clear this? Everybody taken?
Ma'am, this
Yeah.
is so easy.
Yes, I hope so. It's easy. But I want everyone to understand. Mariam, Umaima, Sidra, Mustafa. Look, those who are not understanding, at least they're telling me. That's what I want. Only Umaima,
I'm not understanding.
Mustafa, only these kids, even Sidra, they complain. I'm like, they tell me that, Miss, ma'am, I'm not understanding. What about others, Mariam? You never come up with doubt, beta. You have to ask me. Unless you won't tell me what problem you're having, how would I solve it? Okay? Chalo, Muhammad Ali, even you have to come with the doubts, whether you're understanding or not. Use Mustafa. Mustafa, now this question is for you. This is a fraction, you have to reduce it. Means you have to divide it. And what answer you'll get? Chalo. Mustafa, here, what you have to see? You have to see that these two numbers, they goes together in which table? You have to check that. Tell me, in which table these both numbers come?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, wait a second. I can solve it one by one. Naya. Yeah, Mustafa. They both should come in one table. Think, think,
9
think.
table. 9 6 are
9,
70.
9, what's the 72? 9?
9 6 are 72.
No, no, 9, 6
No,
is not 72.
9 8 are 72.
Very
9
nice. Okay, 9 comes in 9th table, that is fixed. And 72 also comes in 9th table, right? Am I right? So 9 into what will give me 72? Tell me. 9 into what will give me 72? 8. Yes, and 9 ones are. So what is the answer?
8.
And when you have 1 in the denominator, just ignore it. Okay? Okay? Chalo. Next, Sidra, what is your question?
Easy. Ma'am, if we know the answer, can we put it on the chat?
Yeah, sure. That was your doubt? Yeah, sure, you can. Where is Yusuf? Yusuf, you're dreaming or
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. What did you get the answer for this? He said he is
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2.
lovely. How did you get it? How did you get it?
Ma'am, 28 2s are 56.
But how you know 28 table? You know?
Ma'am, I did 20. First, I did 28 plus 10 plus
Okay,
20
understood.
is equal to
Perfect.
48 plus 8 is equal to 56.
Perfect. Chalo. Mustafa, did you understand Mustafa? Okay, chalo, let's take one more example if you didn't. You need to check when which number these two numbers come, in which table these two numbers come. Who would like to try? Who would like to? Mohammed Ali?
I want to. Ma'am, I want to. I want to.
Wait, let Mustafa try now. In which table does these both numbers come? Tell me.
7.
Yes. 7? 7, what's a 63? 7?
7 8
No, 7 9s are. 7 1s are. Okay, so 9 is the answer. Everybody, Umaima, are you understanding, Umaima?
No.
Why? Okay, chalo. Umaima will do this. Umaima.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. 24 and 6 comes
Yes.
together in which table?
24 and 6.
Yes.
3 stable. I know it's
Okay.
3 stable.
So 3 into what is 24? Tell me.
3 into what is
3.
3 8 are 24.
Very nice. Umaima, look, what should I write here? Umaima, what should I
Yes.
write here? 8.
8.
Don't write 3. And 3 into what will give me 6? 3 into what will
2.
give me 6? 2.
2.
Now
And then
tell
you
me
have to
one
write
thing.
2.
Yes. What is the answer I'm getting over here? What is the answer I'm getting over here? See?
10.
No. See now. What did I get above? Numerator mein what did I get? 8.
8.
What did I get in the denominator?
2. 82.
Now tell me one thing. 82. Now tell me, does 8 and 2 comes in any table? Yeah, Umaima? Can I divide this further? Can I divide this further? Yeah, Umaima, can I divide this further?
Yeah, because it comes in 2 stable.
Yes. 2 into what will give me 8? Tell me. 2 into what will give me 8?
2 4s. 2 4s.
And 2 1s are.
2 1s are 2.
So what is the answer? What is the answer? 4. What is the answer, Umaima? 4.
4.
And Umaima, let me tell you, this is very simple. You could have done in 6 table. Look, for everybody else, look, 24 divided by 6. 24 and 6. 24 comes in 6 table. 6 into
Yes.
what will give me 24? Tell me.
24.
6 ones are and 6 fours are. You got the answer 4. Umaima, understood? Understood? Chalo.
Yes,
ma'am.
Take this for your this thing. Practice. Chalo, do it fast. Chalo, fast. Do it right.
25.
25 divided by 5.
5.
5 5s are 25. 5 5s are
Mohammad Ali,
25.
I want answer from you, Mohammad Ali.
25.
5 5s are 25.
Okay.
5 5s are 25. 150.
Everybody mute yourself. Everybody mute yourself. 3 fractions. Come on. 3 fractions. Solve. Let me see how many of you can do it. First is 25 by 5. 25 divided by 5. Chalo, start. Then we have to end the session also.
25 divided by 5. 5 25. Ma'am, where is the notate?
Ma'am, 25.
Can I leave? Ma'am, this is Yusuf. Can I leave?
25
Go, Yusuf.
divided by 5 is equal to 5.
Chalo. Mohammad Ali, tell me the answer. When does 25 comes? 25 and 5 comes? In which table 25? Wait. In which table 25 and 5 comes together? Yeah, Mohammad Ali, tell me. First, unmute yourself, beta.
1 table and 5 table.
Yeah, we don't have to take one table. Okay. Chalo, 5. 5, what size 25? Tell me.
5.
Yeah, 5. Just write 5. And what about when does 5 comes? 5 ones are 5. Okay. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 5. Mustafa.
5.
Mustafa, next question is to you. 100 divided by 5. How would you do this? Nobody? Okay, leave it. Mustafa, can you answer the third one? Third one. Look, third is very easy. Just keep eliminating 0. 1, 1. Then 2, 2. What is left? What is left? Tell me what is left. What is there in numerator? What is there in numerator? 1. And what is there in denominator? What is there in denominator? 3 is left. Bas, this is your answer. They cannot be divided. Okay, this is your answer. That's it. 100 divided by 5. I'll do it in the next session. So this was the reducing form of fractions. Okay?
150.
This the answer for this is 20. Okay, we will do it in the next session. Chalo, till then, bye, take care. I'll start with the next method in the next session. Huh? Chalo, bye everyone. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.